The windstorms, the ice storms, the blackouts. Why allow yourself the vulnerability of lost power when you can have a Generac automatic standby generator from Cedar Valley Electric? Our staff can evaluate your home for the generator that suits your needs best, whether it's diesel, LP gas, or simply hooked to your natural gas lines. The generators are self-monitoring and completely self-starting. Whether you need power for medical reasons or just safety and security, a Generac automatic standby generator from Cedar Valley Electric is the affordable solution. Call us today for a free estimate.